Hi everyone, welcome back to Life Fact Hacks, the channel where I show you the best mobile tips and tricks to make your phone smarter. Want your smartphone battery to stay healthy for years? Do you charge your phone overnight? That habit could slowly damage your battery. Let's fix that with one simple setting. Open Settings, tap Battery, tap Battery Protection. Turn it on. Choose Maximum. Why it matters? Keep the battery from overcharging overnight, which reduce battery wear over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Life Fact Hacks for more useful phone tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.